So the puppies are 8 weeks old today, enjoying playing. But see, this is where the old philosophy about the observer affecting what he or she observes comes into play. Because as soon as I come over here with the camera, the puppies are looking at me like, "Oh, Daddy, Daddy, will you play with us?" That's what you're saying, I know. But they really enjoy. Look at Simon on that wobble board. He loves it. They love the tunnel. I think Jamba is the real tunnel boy. He's down at the other end right now. He likes to chew on those little scraps. But then he runs through it. And they wrestle in there. So a lot is happening this weekend. We will be doing a formal evaluation on all the puppies in this litter this weekend. Looking for who is the most likely candidate to be kept by us for a prospect to show and breed. And also we'll be starting our crate training, maybe even tonight we'll start that. So they're having lots of fun playing. Oh, what did you find in there, Etta? Did you find a toy? Oh, and there goes Jamba. And the wrestling match begins. I guess he wanted the toy. Simon, you won't come off of that wobble board, huh? You notice they really get into this playing here. But this is excellent because, whoa, this is excellent because as soon as they put in about 20 minutes of this, we can put them in the pen and they will go right to sleep. We might put them in a crate and they'll go right to sleep. So we'll keep you posted as things progress. I'll let you know how we do with the crate training, and I will let you know how our evaluation goes, and maybe give a little explanation. I know people who are breeders already know all about that, but there are people who are not breeders or maybe contemplating breeding who would like to know what we look for, so I can give a little explanation. Good boy, Jamba. Nice wobble board. So until then, I hope everybody's doing well, and we're going to say goodbye again for a while.